If you want to turn off two-factor authentication 2FA on your Binance account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed securely. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your 2FA method, as you will need it to proceed. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security section, which is usually found in the account menu. Click on it to access your security options. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Security section, locate the option for two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as 2FA or Google Authenticator depending on the method you use to set it up. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Click on the option to disable or turn off 2FA. You will likely be prompted to enter your 2FA code to confirm your identity. Enter the code from your authentication app or SMS. Step 5. Confirm the changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Binance account. Always ensure your account is secure by using strong passwords and other security measures.